I welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Nedunjeliyan, Dean, School of Computing, Walchand Institute of Higher Education and Research, to release the proceedings of the International Conference on Computer Science and Mathematics 2023. In October 2023, New Research and Innovation Society organized the first international conference wherein multi-stream subjects were dealt with, and successfully the conference was held for 3 days, and subsequent to that the New Research and Innovation Society organized a MATLAB workshop in November, and today we are conducting the second international conference on Computer Science and Mathematics 2023. I am very happy to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. S. Nedunjeliyan, and our convener, Dr. Bala, and our colleague, Dr. Vijay, to this event. I now request Professor Nedunjeliyan to release the proceedings. Welcome, sir.